Vincent. Vincent. Vincent.
Say hi.
What is this?
Put it in your basket.
No, is that it?
Vincent. Vincent. Vincent.
Oh, goodness. How many do you have? How many? Count them. Take them out and count them.
Vincent.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Vincent.
We're looking for 2 more.
Vincent.
See any more?
Oh, egg. Egg. The egg.
I know. I see it. You see any more? I think we're missing one more. Look around. Oh, maybe it's behind you. Keep looking. Oh, if it was a snake, it would bit you. Look towards Grandma.
Give Grandma. Give Grandma a hug.
You want to do more? You want to do another one?
Vincent, look at me and say, I love you, Mommy, Daddy. I love you, Mommy. Say, I love you, Daddy. Aye, aye.
Hey, Vincent, look at this. Come here. Look at the bubbles! Oh, goodness.
Vincent, Vincent.
Don't go forward. You catch it? Be careful. Bubbles. Ready? Look at them. Bubbles.
It's away.
Uh-oh. That was good. Ready? Woo!
Let him blow on.
What's it do?
See if he can blow.
Do you want to blow them? You got to blow through here. You got to blow out. Okay, can you do it? You want to do it? Okay. You're going to do it like this. And then you got to blow out. You got to blow out.
Yeah.
No, you're sucking it in. Blow out. Blow. Push it out. Push your air out. Like
I
this.
don't think there's any on there.
You got to do that, okay? Do that. You do that. No, you're sucking it in, honey. You're going to swallow bubbles. Here, you got to blow. What? You got to push.
Oh, it's windy. It's windy.
It is. It's windy. You're blowing over, huh? Let's see.
Now follow that.
The blue one's open, honey.
Oh, is it? Or maybe you could do it this way. Okay. Was there a thingy in here? No? Well, where is it?
It's inside.
Oh, is it way down in there? Oh. Okay. Here, you can do this one. Oh.
I want it.
You want him? Oh. Oh. Here, Grandma do some bubbles.
Oh no.
You want to blow 'em? You got to push out. Don't push in. You got to push out. Right? Watch, watch. Watch Grandma do it. Watch Grandma. Okay, that's it. Now you got to blow out. Push. No, don't suck in. Silly. And we drink the bubble juice. Coming at you. Whoop.